Hey guys, come enjoy this creamy, delicious Cajun chicken and sausage pasta. What's up guys, and welcome back to For This Vibe Eats. Today's vibe is going to be a delicious chicken and Cajun pasta. Let's get to it. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have some chicken breast, we have some Andouille sausage, we have some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some onion, we have some parsley, some heavy whipping cream, we have some Tony's no salt Creole seasoning, we have some low sodium chicken broth, we also have some onion powder, some garlic puree, we have some black pepper, we have some natural sea salt, we have a little cayenne pepper going on here. What else? Oh, we can't forget about the noodles, the main attraction. And let me see, I think that's about it that we're gonna need to create this wonderful dish. Like always, the full ingredient to the recipe will be in the description. Okay, first I'm gonna chop up my onion, my bell peppers, and set it to the side. Okay guys, now that I have my onion, bell peppers chopped up, I'm gonna chop up my chicken breast and my Andouille sausage. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna butterfly my chicken breast. That way I can season it evenly and it'll cook quicker. Okay, so now that I have my chicken breast butterflied, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my seasoning. Add a little bit of salt, some pepper, some garlic powder. I'm gonna add some onion powder. And we're gonna add some no salt Creole seasoning. The reason I'm using low sodium with the Creole and my chicken broth is because I want to be able to control the salt content in my recipes. Let's get that a little sprinkle. I'm gonna press that in. Now I'm going to flip and do the other side. Okay guys, now I'm going to chop up my Andouille sausage. And this is going to give the pasta a wonderful taste. Paired with that wonderfully seasoned chicken, the bell pepper and onion, and the rest of the seasoning that's going off in here. Oh, and that cream sauce. You guys are in for a treat. So now that I have everything cut up, I'm going to add some avocado oil to my pan. Avocado oil has a high heat point. Okay guys, now that I have my chicken with the color that I wanted, I'm gonna put it on a pan and let it finish cooking in the oven for about 10 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. Next, I'm going to add my sausage to the pan. Okay, now that my sausage is finished cooking, I'm going to remove it from the pan. Okay guys, so I removed a little bit of the oil from my pan. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of butter because we're fixing to make a delicious sauce. Still have that flavor from the seasoned chicken and an Andouille sausage off in here. No flavor will be missing. Nothing is wasted. I try to incorporate as much flavor from each ingredient as I possibly can. Now I'm going to add my Trinity, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, to this I'm going to add some garlic puree. Because you know, bell pepper, onion, and garlic, you know they vibe together. I'm going to add a little bit more of my Creole seasoning. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. If you guys could just smell the aroma that's going on in this kitchen right now. As a matter of fact, you probably can smell it in your head. Stomach growling, getting hungry. Because you know this is going to taste good. Now this next spice is optional. You don't have to do it. I like it because I want a little bit more heat. So I'm going to add just about an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Boom, that's all you need. Give that a mix. I'm going to add in about a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Alright guys, so now that my cream is coming to a boil, I'm going to add in my shredded Parmesan cheese. Give it a nice stir. Well, let me just fan some of this aroma toward you guys. Okay, now I'm going to add in my Andouille sausage. Now I'm going to add in my chicken. Now it's time to add in the pasta. Okay guys, now that my pasta is finished, I'm fit to plate it up and we fit to dig into it. Add a little bit of parsley for garnish. Okay guys, let's dig in and see what we're working with. Guys, well, I'll tell you, like always, the flavors are hitting on 10. They're hitting on 10. So once again, you have witnessed another food vibe. Remember to subscribe to the channel. See you next video.